We'd like to introduce you to our state-of-the-art sweet cherry packing line. The MAF Cherryway 3 automatically and gently handles customer-specific packing requirements to meet ever-changing marketing demands, including grower-to-store shelf traceability. Robotic bin handling scans individual bins of cherries. Up to 70 bins per hour are emptied by water immersion. Elevators bring the cherries onto the pre-sort table for removal of foreign material. MAF-engineered cluster cutters achieve a 95% or greater stem cut separation. The individual cutter banks are designed to have gentle, high-volume production, ease of use, and quick, simple maintenance. Unique and accurate digital roll sizers eliminate small fruit and trash. Fruit enters the MAF Cherryway sizers through a series of gentle water flumes, dewatering belts, and a 4-step pre-singulation V-belt system, with letdown transfer to sizer rolls. The MAF Global Scan 6 defect sorting camera system is designed, manufactured, and programmed in the USA. The Global Scan 6 defect sorter rotates each cherry, scanning it with 2 IR, 2 NIR, and 2 RGB cameras for a total of 6 cameras per lane. That's 60 photos of each cherry. The MAF Cherryway 3 sizer has the capacity to reach 1,850 pieces per minute per lane. High-speed computer processing on every 2 lanes of sizer enables fast and accurate computing speeds, all while maintaining a high-volume production. The combination of 3 14-lane sizers with 48 outlets enables Washington cherry growers to defect sort, size, and box 30 tons of cherries quickly and accurately. That's an astounding 3,496,500 cherries per hour. The MAF hydrocooling water system starts with the sizer flumes and progresses to the hydrocooling accumulation tables. The MAF hydrocooling water system is key to the reduction of cherry core temperatures. Front-end cherry temps of 50 degrees are gradually cooled to an ideal 33 degrees just prior to packaging. The packing options chosen by Washington cherry growers enable them to pack combinations of conventional, organic, fumigated, or Rainier at the same time. The separate water systems, bin handling, multiple sizers, and packing stations allow Washington cherry growers to fulfill all marketing supply demands, both export and domestic.
My name is Ron Gonzalez. I'm the president of Bluebird. We've had a long relationship with MAF, and we decided that based upon what we had seen from competitors, that MAF was the right line for us. Well, prior to this installation, we had a Van Doren roll sizer that was 15 years old and ready for replacement. This line was installed following a major fire event that wiped out our facility. And from the time of the fire to us actually packing cherries this year was exactly 11 months, which was phenomenal commitment on MAF's part to get that job done. I think the most unique aspects of this line here was being able to design it based around our new building and be able to handle the volume of cherries that we would be looking to have as our future went forward. So the big benefit for us was being able to actually run organics on this line. We designed it that way, and we've been able to take full advantage of our production needs, both organic and conventional. Well, the increase in production has been a big benefit as well. We're currently running more volume of fruit than we did on our multiple lines in the past. Well, one of the things that we accomplished here is that we did eliminate all of our forklift traffic directly around our workforce, and that's been a big safety issue as well as a big food safety issue as well as worker safety, just to be able to remove the forklift traffic from our work environment. Well, the cost savings of labor, initially we were looking at very similar sized crews, but we have now reduced our crews down, and we're looking at probably a 15% reduction in overall labor cost. The electronic defect sorting has given us the ability to have a consistent product going into the box by taking out the human element that's a variable as far as what the human eye sees compared to the consistency of the electronics. The packouts have been very consistent. Even though unfortunately the packouts have been low this year due to the weather events, we've been satisfied very much with the quality of the packouts that we've received. Well, the gentle handliness of any line is extreme, but we felt that what was designed here and how the line was fabricated has definitely satisfied us as far as the flow of the fruit and the gentleness of handling. MAF service, service is a big part of any of these lines, and we're very satisfied with the service that MAF has provided us. I think one of the big benefits with our local team is having that relationship and the dependency we have with each other as far as making sure the job gets done and it gets done on time. I think it's been real beneficial as far as the commitment that MAF made to Bluebird following our fire and following the events that took place last summer. It really speaks to the commitment and the dedication that MAF staff has as a company, from the top on down, to make sure that our needs were addressed and that we were back and running in 11 months that we had planned. At this point, we only say good things about MAF because we're very, very proud as far as the job that was done and what we were able to accomplish.
MAF cherry lines are made right here in the USA. All of the materials used by MAF are food safe in design, with special attention to ease of cleaning and containment and elimination of any possible foodborne pathogens. Contact us today. MAF Industries Northwest will design a unique cherry packing solution specific to your operation.